This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. This home sounds like a gem. The split floor plan offers 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a master bedroom separated from the additional bedrooms, offers privacy and convenience. The beautiful kitchen with honey cabinets, stylish countertops, and a stove with 2 separate ovens is sure to delight any home chef. The sliding door leading to the lanai, with its view of a beautiful tree, adds a touch of natural beauty to the living space. Additionally, the community amenities, including 2 pools and a tennis court, offer opportunities for recreation and relaxation close to home. Call today to schedule a showing appointment. More photos coming soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.